If I were a cat, I'd spend all day like this. So soft, amazing. Our favorite APU 900? What would we do without it? Oh. Georgi Sanich, I got a question. You're gonna go to the country or downtown today? What? Going to the country or downtown? Ah, to the country. To the country, gotcha. Oh, it's no field cap. Okay. Friends, this is all because this is a report episode on Antipage and titanium engine, and the last goodies we received were the mats. Work of art, Zeus. Guys, this is amazing. If I were a cat, I'd spend all day like this. So soft, amazing. It's freaking amazing. Like a sponge. I don't know if you get it or not, but it's really like a sponge. It's just a winter version, terraster gauge. Is it winter? And it can be unfastened. It's no rog. It's not some unknown material. I don't know. It looks like a sponge, but resin. Yeah, right. And it doesn't absorb moisture, and you can... Terraster gauge. Calm down. Right. You can unfasten it and wash, dry it separately. Like this? Look. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. Whoa. Hold up a minute, gentlemen. So this is like a permanent mat, right? No, why? You can remove it too. It's like another mat? It's a winter version, and this is summer version. And here you put winter on top of summer one? Yeah, you can fasten it, unfasten it, wash it. Yeah, look, it's on now. And then you do this. Friends, here's a set of mats for the whole car. For the whole Antipage. Even for the boots. And there's even a bonus. This one? Well... Oh, I'm a pirate. Chabayev, no, Napoleon. So, if you recall, some time ago we ordered Zeus mats, and when the order was confirmed, we called them up and told them, guys, you need to add logos and titanium edition on this. And Alex says, Georgi Sanich. And I'm like, yeah? We're all watching your Antipage videos. Everything's gonna be neat. So, hi Alex. And now attention please. Stainless steel. Jesus Christ. Logos made of stainless steel. BMW X5 Titanium Edition. Yeah, great. Can we make something like that? We'll have Mitsubishi Enima Edition. Smack edition, I'd say. Nah, Enima, I say. Before we put them in, let's... Careful. What? Put them on the sofa for now, on the box. So... Well, we have this over here for the salon. The easy other thing is, I'll tell you why later. If you watch us, you'll know. I like these. Like a scoop. Yeah, right. It's good for the floor, so the dirt doesn't get on the sides. Yeah. Put it on top. Here. So now, it's winter. I really dig this. Alex, my legs to you. Wait, there's more terraster gauge. We only started. Oh, this is sticky, right? Right. Look, this is really interesting. There was this... wait it. Put it back. So, I'll talk to Alex and ask him, what's this for? And he said, simple. This for the countryside. And this for the babes. You dig? Now I want it. So, for the countryside? Stop it you! And this is for the babes. Cool. Ah, jeez. Terraster gauge? Take this away, please. To the Enima? No, to the sofa. Doesn't suit you. Can I have it? And now is the sexiest thing for Antipage. Look at this. Look at this suitcase. Whoa. A real foldable suitcase. No top though? No, this is the bottom. These are the sides. So here it goes like this. Jesus Christ, what's going on? Here, this folds, and this is the middle part. Yeah, this is the middle. Here we go. Wait a minute, something's wrong. No, push it to the end. Yeah, it's really precise, we need to be careful. Now close it. And that's it. And here we are. And this is the boot mat. Damn it. It's all because we built a titanium engine, a Kevlar gearbox, installed HP performance brakes, and the best way you can treat your feet is Zeus mats.
Zeus.
And I want pink brake discs. And this cute thingy, a pillow for your head. Bitch. Cool, eh? And a whole canister of manure fits. Whoa. Yeah, you can carry it. Close it. Here you go. That's it. Look, you grab it and take it with you. Spare parts or something. And the mats, of course. This is for the boots. You got it like this? Yeah, right. This hole. And those stickers for the suitcase in the center. Well, let's put it back. You know why I'm happy? We'll finally put all the tools out of Antipych. And I'll never put anything dirty into the boot. How about me? Never. Wipe your feet first. You know what? Damn. What? And your passengers? How about babes? Passengers? And you know... And how about the countryside option, eh? What about it? It's for the driver. All my passengers are babes. It's a BMW. Sanya. What about the front? I won't let you there either. Put some shoe capes. Yeah, shoe caps. Should I bring a coin? 5 rubles? Jeez. Put it into the rear mirror. Okay, let's go install them. I want to see them. So since it's a report episode, we need to clean the salon first. Clean it and put some protection on. Yeah, by the way, these are spare fasteners. Yeah. And there's plastic stuff over there. And there's also a set of logos the guys gave us. Oh, the logos. Yeah, titanium edition. Yeah. All in? Zeus are the shit, guys. And where is it? Give me this. Here you go. Yeah, by the way, Rudolf Alexeyevich may do this. I can even choose a color, even brown. Where were you when we ordered? Hold up a minute. What do you mean Rudolf may? What the hell? Why? What's going on? You again? Tarasa Gage. Calm down. Your new present has been ordered already. Yeah? What is it? And it's on the way. What is it? Patience. I'm gonna love this. So let's finally go install the protection on our Antipych. By the way, we need to turn on the APU 900. Leave the bag here for now. Drop the bag. How about all this? Take it. We're gonna clean Antipych first with all this, then protection, then the mats. When it's ready. Don't shout, let's go. You're sore. Why the coat? It's winter outside? Friggin' suitcase. Neat. BMW suitcase fits a whole lot of oil, though I hope I would need it. We have every BMW driver's attribute. Mr. Cat, a Finnish chocolate bar, and Mr. Cat has his own pocket right here. He'll be guarding the car in there. Yeah. And it's a winter edition of a driver. Face covered in shit. Yeah, but it's fine as shit. And with a hood on. He's gonna live there. Looks exactly like us in St. Alexei. So, let's go work on the back ones. Let's go. I'm gonna take this side, right? Old one still in? No, it's okay.
Здесь
It's okay.
нормальненько, да.
And the seats, well,
Ну ладно.
Если получится.
jeez,
Сейчас.
it's gonna be like home here.
Мой.
What's this?
Нет.
No, move it more to the center. Yeah, where the logo is.
Титаниум.
Titanium edition.
Причем, видишь, здесь такая
Yeah, I see it.
ерзала.
And look, there's the stuff here, and these windows are for the lamps over here,
Фонарей, которые находятся
right below the seats. Oh, and there's Velcro here, but we don't need them anymore.
Да.
Ну да.
Yeah, here's BMW for you. Screws you even in putting mats in. Yeah, amazing. But it's a pleasant screwing.
Ну, не в
Well, I
смысле,
mean,
что, в смысле,
you sound really weird right now. You're gonna be destroyed in the comments.
да, можно
В комментариях именно так и поступят, наверное.
для нас.
I don't give a shit. Yeah, alright. Your car, after all. Yeah, my car.
Чё? О,
Here we go. So we're gonna finish and show you the results soon. Okay,
ну окей. Ну,
that's it.
ништяк.
Neat.
Просто
Great.
Дырочки
Got all the lamps under the seats right.
да.
Yeah, nothing under the seats. Got a question. What's this for? I'll tell you later. Why? I asked Alex the same question, like, Alex, what's the cap for? He laughed his ass off.
Я тебе потом объясню.
I'll tell you later what it's for.
Ты реально такой.
But you really look like Napoleon in this. Gosh.
Ржака. Так,
Okay, we're down here.
так.
Now the front. The front is awesome. Just look at this.
Космос здесь.
You see,
Ты понимаешь, что все
all your problems with getting it dirty are now covered.
Все, оно все сразу залеплено.
No dirt, no liquid there anymore. Yeah, just wash the mats.
Все посклали.
Yeah. The pillow, by the way.
А, кстати, еще подушка.
Подушка.
Pillow.
А может и поясничный быть.
Could use some good support for your back as well. Put it like that.
Ложу ее так сиденье, и все.
And that's it. I'd love that.
И мне, например, очень удобно
I
будет.
find it really comfortable.
Я могу и под
I could have back
положить, и сюда положить.
behind my head or behind my back. Terrace gauge. I won't put this behind my head. After you, put it behind you.
Я не буду
I
сейчас.
won't fart, I swear. Okay. Here you go, unpack this while I go put the pillow in. So, right here.
Красота.
Есть.
Yeah, done. We'll put it in now. Georgi Sanich, I got a question.
А ты
You
сегодня
gonna go to the country or downtown today? What? Going to the country or downtown? To the country.
село. Я понял,
To the country, gotcha. Here you go.
Что держи там? Тут
What? What are you holding there?
тот коврик еще вроде.
There's the mat in the boot.
тот, да, тот еще
Yeah, there's a mat in the boot for the driver.
Зато здесь как
This is amazing.
огонь. Прям
There's some cat heaven right here.
Кого-нибудь прям вообще.
Yeah. By the way, yeah. Put Mr. Cat in there. Yeah, he's gonna munch. Why are you still wearing the cap? It's falling off all the time. What'd I do? It's a cool cap.
Да.
Yeah, right.
И вот тут
Here we go.
И
Here are the,
есть, кстати,
by the way,
шильды.
here are the logos for BMW X5 Titanium Edition. Georgi Sanich, can I have one?
На память так
Yeah?
Ну, вещь
It's a unique thing. Only a handful of them exist, and I'll have one. Cool. Okay.
Ну, вот
Here's two more. Well, one left. Only one left. What? What?
Чего?
You gonna put it on?
Уф. Сейчас я
Can
пристегну.
you give me some light?
Вот это еще остался. А посвети,
Can
пожалуйста.
you?
Да,
Here you
пожалуйста.
go.
Он все, благодарю.
Thanks.
Вот чмар.
Damn it.
Да зараза.
Fingers too fat.
Пальцы толстые, зараза.
So fat.
Не надо, у тебя еще тут.
Ну,
Need
спасибо.
a hand? No, thank you.
Примите еще.
Bitch.
Ответил так,
Nice
ответил.
answer.
Ну, еще.
Hey, if you think I don't need the light, you're wrong. Oh, right? Yeah. Bingo.
Все.
Done. Well, Georgi Sanich, get in.
Все, подушка.
Now the pillow.
Подушечка сейчас вот.
The wheel.
Вот.
Cool.
Я пойду.
Bye-bye.
Все?
Already?
А что ж?
Why wait?
Там
We
еще.
haven't finished.
Че?
What? One more mat, no? No, I got all of them. You did? Yeah. All four?
Ну да,
Yeah, you're right. By the way, there's one logo left.
На
for my
ключи.
keyring. Yes,
Вместо
instead of BMW shit. Yeah,
Так, еще, кстати,
a ton of fasteners left spare, by the way. Can I sit?
Что?
You? Yeah?
Я в чистых.
My shoes are clean, I swear. Yeah, go in.
Да, по папой.
Okay. Back or front? I think front.
За руль
Take the
садись.
wheel. Whoa, the wheel.
Знаете,
You know what's the best?
Он уже забыл, что...
You forgot about the cap. St. Alex.
Ну чё?
How is it? Neat. Neat.
Нравится. Однозначно.
Я
I'm
готов
ready to share the secret.
Армагеддон.
Ah, right, the cap. Where does it go?
Пилотка.
It's simple.
Все очень просто.
You take it,
Берешь пилотку,
push it in there,
впихиваешь сюда, чтобы всякое
so that
говно
no
никуда
shit
не
get
летело.
in.
Просто вот сюда
Just so.
вставляешь.
Bitch. Seriously? Yeah. Terrace gauge? What?
Я сейчас, на
I
самом
want
деле, хочу
one
только
thing
одного.
now, actually.
С такими
With these
ковриками,
mats,
с такими
with these
тормозами.
brakes, and with this
мотором,
engine and
такой
gearbox, drive away?
Я хочу просто...
I just want to take a ride and recall what it used to be like.
Чемодан
The
как
box
раз
is just right for manual.
с маслом.
Oil for the BMW, after all.
Чпонь.
Bang.
Поехали.
Let's drive. The mats fitted on tippage like stock ones, as if molded in. It's no Chinese fake that needs working. You just put them in and they follow all the curves of the car.
Его контур.
I know that most of our viewers are men,
Смотрят это мужики.
but guys,
Мужики, вы бы
show this to your girls.
своим девчонкам
Tell them,
и сказали, нет,
it'd be nice to get something like that for the new year, like these mats.
а
I think they'll be perfect for your car.
бы, кстати.